best control shortcuts to make you faster at Excel. Control semicolon enters today's date. Control shift semicolon today's time. Control C copies. Control V pastes. And Control X cuts. Control B bolds. Control I adds italics. Control U underline. Control Shift 1 formats as number with 2 decimal. Control Shift 4 formats as currency with 2 decimal. Control 5 applies a strike through. Control Y redoes the most recent action. Control Z undoes that action. Control 0 hides columns. Control Shift 0 unhides columns. Control 9 hides rows. Control Shift 9 unhides rows. Control Shift L applies and removes filters. Control R drags cells right. Control D drags them down. Control E flash fills based on the recognized pattern.